decimal expansion. So decimal expansion, you look here. Terminating is rational number. Non-terminating is non-terminating. Repeating is rational. Non-repeating is irrational. We discussed last time. So today I'm going to give some examples like this. So first I'm giving you terminating is a rational number. So express 0.6 in the P by Q form where Q and this is all okay. 0.6, just listen, no need to write anything. I'll give the sums today. 0.6, okay, 0.6. So after decimal point, only one number is there. So 6 by 10, removing decimal point, we are writing 0. 6 by 10, is it clear? If it is clear, just show the thumb and off. So cancellation is possible. So divided by 6 divided by 2, 10 also divided by 2. Either cancel by 2. So you'll get 2 3s, 2 5s. So 3 by 5. 0.6 is the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. So terminating decimal is a rational number. We can express like this. Is it clear all? You can't see my video, just tell me. Yes? So thumb enough. Now, thank you. Now, express 0.6 bar. Previous one 0.6. Now 0.6 bar in the P by Q form. 0.6 bar means Aditya, look here. Aditya, listen. 0.6 bar. So here, let bar means 6 is repeating. Let x is equal 0.6666 and so on. You can write a number of 6s. Okay now? So this is called equation 1. This is called equation. So we have to do like this. Any number is like repeating, non-terminating as well as repeating. That time how to convert rational numbers we are going to do here. So first x is equal 0.66 will do it. Since there is a bar over one digit, that means 6 only. Bar in only one digit or not? One digit means multiplying both sides, multiplying equation 1 with 10. Here bar, 6 bar, bar on only one digit. I'll give you one more example here also. Express 0.36 bar. So bar on how many digits? Gibson, show me how many digits? Show me Gibson just. How many digits bar on? Yeah, Aditya, how many? 2, good. So here bar on 2 digits. That's why multiplying by 100 on both sides. Previous question, bar on 1 digit, multiplying by 10. Bar on 2 digits, multiplying by 100. Yes? Now, first copy this question, everybody. Start writing. Express. Start doing. Get Laksh. Start writing. Laksh. Laksh, please keep mute. Thank you. Express 0.6 bar in the P by Q form where Q not equal to 0, P and Q are integers, whatever. Okay. Let x is equal to 0.666 and so on. I wrote 4 6s. You can write 3 also, no problem. 5 also, no problem. 10 also, no problem. Since there is a bar over 6 only, bracket 1 digit. 1 digit means I wrote multiplying equation 1 with 10. You can write both sides multiplied by 10 also, correct. Equation 1 multiplied by 10. Copy?
Sir, after we multiply with 10, what will we get the answer like?
Yes, I'll show the full solution. Wait.
Sir, 1 minute. I'm still.
Speed up, Tarun, please. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Now,
Done, sir.
look here. We are here now. Multiplying equation. Look here, all of you. Stop writing. Girls, stop writing, please. Multiplying equation 1 with 10 I wrote previous. This is the last line, previous slide. Now, so this is equation 1 now. So 10 into x. 10 into x. 10 into 0.666. Aditya, is it clear? Show thumb enough. Now, 10 into x, 10x is equal to 10 into 0.666 like that. So when you are multiplying, decimal point move one place. Multiplying 10, point will move one side, one right side like. So answer is 6.666. Here I wrote 3 only, I wrote 4. No problem, you can write how many after, how many you want to write, you can write. No problem, after decimal point. So 666 like that. Equation 2. Clear? Subtract equation 1 from 2. So equation 2, 10x is equal to 6.666 and so on. Equation 1 is x is equal to 0.66, like that, right? Subtraction. Here nothing is there. Here nothing is there. 1. 10 minus 1, 9x. Here this is all cancel after decimal points. Yes or no? If you here one more 6 is there, here no, not there, no problem, we can cancel that. After decimal points, all cancel. Now 6 minus 0, 6. So x is equal, this side multiplication, that's a division. 6 by 9. So cancellation is possible, divided by 3. So you will get 2 by 3. So 0.6 bar is a repeating. We can express as a rational number. Just copy, children. Start writing.
Could you explain once again?
Apra, is that clear? You can ask, no problem.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Thank you.
Can you explain just once again?
Where are you now? Here, 10 into x is equal to 6.666. Is it clear?
Yes.
Here only one thing, multiplied by 10 means here decimal point is there. Decimal point will move here. Yes? Now, subtraction, equation 2, same right. Equation 2 is there now? Same right. Equation 1 is here, same right. This subtraction, like general subtraction. 10 minus 1, you will get 9x. 10 minus 1, 9 only now? Yes, Shifali? So 6, 6, 6 all cancel. So 6 minus 0, 6. This side multiplication, this side division. Done, Karni? Samita done? Atidhi? Atidhi join?
Done, sir.
Yes, thank you. Apra, is it done? Latisha?
Done, sir.
Yes. Mohit sir done?
Last bit.
Okay, speed up.
Done, sir.
Okay. I hope, speed up girls, I think. Now, this is also we can do. I did one different style. You can horizontal subtraction also you can do, no problem. Horizontal means 10x minus x. 6.66 minus, like that also you can do, no problem. Answer is same. They could not do cancellation, do cancellation. If cancellation is possible, do it. Any method is correct. Now start doing everybody this sum. X plus 0.9 bar. Same. 0. X, right, everybody right. Start doing. Tell me answer. express 0.9 bar in P by Q form. Start doing. You can same like previous sum only one digit is repeating. So both are multiplied by 10. Same steps. Where there is a 6, write 9, enough.
Sir, x is equal to 1.
X is equal to 1.
Very good, very good.
So x is equal to 1.
Good, good. Divya,
X equal to 9 by 9, sir. X is equal to 1.
Sir,
good. Samita, Supradeep, Gibson, Laksh, Yashvelu.
X is 9 by 9 to 1, sir.
Yeah, that's why I wrote. X is equal to answer. X is equal to 9 by 9 is equal to 1. Done?
Sir, x is equals to 1.
Very good. Now, one more sum. This is 1 digit bar. Now 2 digits. Start writing question. Express 0.36 bar in the P by Q form. Start doing. Express 0.36 bar. 36 together bar.
So we should multiply 100 on both sides. Right?
Yes. Because 2 digits.
Sir, is the answer 4 by 11?
Previous, this one?
This one, sir.
Oh, great. Correct, Amma. Very good, Divya. Saumita, please respond. Ishita, Shainavi, Pavani.
Yes, sir.
Then, previous sum you got one answer?
Yeah.
Good.
Sir, I did not understand this one.
Supradeep?
Yes, sir. I did
Very
not
good.
understand this one.
Very good. Okay, no problem. Here, now, express 0.36 bar represent as a P by Q like. First take it. Let take it. X is equal. They given 36 bar now, so 36 right like first. That is called equation 1. There are 2 digits are repeating. Yes, 2 digits are repeating. That's why both sides multiplied by 100. Since there are a bar on 2 digits, so both sides multiplied by 100. Up to do it, Supradeep.
Yes, sir, I understood.
So I got the answer.
What is the answer?
4 by 11.
Good.
4 by 11.
Look here. So, Supradeep.
Yes.
So, both sides multiplied 100 means 100 into x. Okay.
Okay.
Shall I say? Okay. 100 into x. So, 100 into this. So,
Okay.
here decimal point is there. So, 100 na multiply 100 means the point will move 2 places. That means 36.36. You can write so many, no problem. This is equation 2. Subtract 1 from 2. Then 2 minus 1, no problem. So, what is equation 2? This one. 100 x is equal to 36.363636 and so on. Equation 1 is here. So x is equal to 0.3636 and so on. So subtraction means 100 minus 1, 99. Here after decimal points all cancel. So 36, okay. X is equal to 36 by 99. So 9 table cancellation is possible. So 4 by 11. Latisha, done?
Yes, sir.
Good. Start doing now. Now 3 digits.
We will take 1000.
Yes. Express 0.001 in P by Q form.
Sir, 1 by
So 1 by
1000.
999.
Super, very good.
1 by triple.
So 1 by 999, sir.
1 by 999. Do full solution. Ivank? I think you are writing in rough book, yes?
Yes, sir.
Write neatly. After you can copy that.
Okay, sir.
Let x is equal to Supradeep 0.11 like 0.001001 and so on. Equation 1 take it.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So after that bar on 3 digits multiplied by 1000 on both sides. Your previous sum multiplied by multiply both sides equation by 100 now. So now 1000. This is previous question, so Shafali.
Done, sir.
He did horizontal subtraction.
Yeah, done.
You can do previous method also, no problem.
Done.
Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Yeah, one sum. Take this one, children. 0.47, only 7 bar. What is? Sorry?
Sir, 1 by 999.
Yeah. See here, 1 by this answer, right? Shifali, you got? Yeah. Yes.
Sir, 1 by 999.
Very good, very good.
Sir, you gave one solution.
One sum also. Next sum, do this one.
So for the 0.47 sum, we should only put it like 0.4777 like that, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for the
No.
0.47.
777 only repeated.
Yes, sir, that's what I've done.
See here solution. Because only one digit has bar. That's why multiplying both sides by 10. 10 only. After decimal point, 2 digits are there, but bar only on 1. That's why multiplied by 10 only. Yes.
43 by 9.
43 by 9.
So that means if we get the answer as points, then we should multiply 10 with the numerator and denominator.
No, here you got decimal point. Remove the point, keep 0 down over.
Okay, sir.
Answer got it.
Here 10 into 0.477 means multiply 10 na, the point will move here. 4 point I wrote directly, that's why. 10x is equal 4.777 equation 2. Subtract 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 1 from 2.
So we can leave it at 4.3 by 9, no sir?
It is possible now, convert into, however you have to write in rational number form. Why you want to write again decimals? Convert.
Okay.
So 43 by 90.
90.
Yes, Lati, who is that?
Sir, it's Shivina.
Shivina, ask.
Sir, how did we get 4.3 and x is equal to 4.3?
Yeah. Here, after decimal point, this 7 cancel 7, but here 7 is there.
Sir,
Yes.
how will we get 4?
Here 7 is there. 1 second. 7 minus 4, 3 you will get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shivina, clear?
Sir,
Laksh, now ask.
So how will we get 43 by 90, sir?
So here 1 point is there in a decimal point. Removing
Yes, sir.
point. Write 0 down. 43 by 90.
Okay, sir.
Anybody?
Done, sir.
Yes.
answer.
I think you have ebook.
Done, sir.
Please go to ebook. Please go to ebook. Once open.
నాకు టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉందండి
Last text.
నైన్తే అదే ఓకే
Laksh, please mute. Please mute. Children, once open your book. Question number 3, I explain you. Express following in the form of P by Q. Yes? Where P and Q are integers. So first question 0.6 bar over. Now this question also over 0.477 bar over. 0.001 whole bar over. And as well as fourth question also over. Fourth question express 0.9999 and so on in the form of P by Q. Is nothing but 0.9 bar. I explain you fourth question now over 2 questions. Now clear? You already completed first question. So I completed 3 and 4. If you have ebook,
Sir, can you explain second question?
Yeah,
Yesterday I
I'm
was doing
explaining.
it.
Shifali, coming Shifali. Yes. Now, I hope you did 1 by 11. Yes? Generally you did division. So 1 by 11 means you will take 1. So this is very small number. Just I want to revise once. Somebody will do wrong here. Take 0 point, you write 1 0. However, 10 is not divisible by 11. So take 1 0. That will again take 0 here. So you will continue like that. So 0 9. You continue like this. You will get 1 by 11, 0.090. I hope you completed all. Just I want to. Again, first question, second sum this is. Now, right question number 2. Look here, all boys and girls. They only given 1 by 7 is equal 0.142857 bar, whole bar. So we have to find 2 by 7. That means 2 into 1 by 7. If you multiply numerator into numerator, 2 into 1, 2 only. So 2 into 1 by 7 value, 0.142857. Just multiply this side. Is it clear? And you will get answer is 285714. Same answer, you write the bar over. Start copying.
Sir, I didn't understand.
I didn't understand.
Even I didn't understand.
Okay.
3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 as well, no sir?
Yes. So we have to do separate. First, we have to do 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Here in this fraction, 2 by 7 is there. So 2 into 1 by 7. For example, if you multiply 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 only. You will get same or not? The given 2 by 7, write like this. This is clear, Shifali, first?
Sir,
Tarun, is it clear? Yes.
Sir, why is it into 2, sir? 1 by 7 into 2?
Because we know 1 by 7 value. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the question they given. We have to find 2 by 7. That's why the given question convert into based on the like 1 by 7.
Oh, yeah, okay, understood.
So now 2 into 1 by 7. So 2 same. 1 by 7 value here. Just copy. So just multiply 2 into here. Shifali, clear now? Yeah. Start doing. Shivang, clear?
Yes, sir.
Shivina?
Should we do 3 by 7s now, sir?
Yes. Same method. Start doing. Supradeep, Tarun? Tarun,
Yeah, understood, sir.
please complete. Shivina, Shainavi, if anyone have doubt, please ask now. Niharika, Ishta,
Sir.
now.
Sir,
Yes,
can you
Atri,
go to the previous
So
one?
3 by 7 is 0.4.
Aprashta, 1 second. Amma. Aditi, say loudly.
Sir, can you go to the previous slide 1 minute? Once.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
This is
I
first
didn't
question.
understand this one. Sir.
No, I given you homework. First question. Okay. Just do division and express as a terminating or non-terminating. You have to do it. Okay. I'll come to you last. Do now. 3 by 7. 3 into 1 by 7.
Done,
So
sir.
3 and 1.
And sir-
Continue. Complete all now. Start doing all. I'll ask you at the end answers.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So why did we now multiply it with 3, sir?
So here they given these questions. Yes or no? 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Do you have ebook?
No, sir, not in this mobile.
That's why. This is they given this one 1 by 7. They given you have to find 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 like that. So this is the question. Clear?
Okay, sir.
That's why we are multiplying.
Sir, done.
Yeah, complete all children. There are 5. Up to 6 by 7 is there. Please complete. We have to finish. We have to write. 4 by 7 also there. 5 by 7 also we have to do. 6 by 7 also there.
said answer.
Very good. One
Done,
second, Amma.
So got till 6 by 7.
Yeah, sir. Same.
Completed till 6 by 7.
Yeah. So, what is the 3 by 7 answer?
3 by 7 is 0.428571.
Yes, sir.
4. Very good. Here answer is 0. You carry on, children.
428571.
4 2
871.
8 5.
71.
Very good. Whole bar. Now 0.4 by 7.
0.571428.
Yes. Aditya, what is the answer, Aditya? 4 by 7 answer?
0.571428.
Very good. Soumita, ready, next answer.
Sir, 5 by 7 is equal to 0.71.
One second. Soumita, 1 second. Let me write this answer. Was 5714. Aditya, 1428, Amma.
Yes, sir.
1428. Yeah. Soumita, now tell me answer.
0.714285.
Very good. Zero point 7144285.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mohit or Gibson? Somebody respond for last answer.
Sir, can I tell?
1 second. Gibson, Mohit. Supradeep or Siddhartha K.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, can I tell the answer, sir?
yes, sir.
Sir, 0.857142.
0 point.
857142.
Very good. 8571.
42, sir.
Yeah. Now, I hope clear to all. Yes? Just show the thumb enough. Yes?
Sir.
Shivina, completed? Shainavi,
Yes, sir.
completed? Shall I write? Yes. This is also completed. Now, open your ebook once. Once open ebook. Question number 5, 1 by 17. Just listen, don't do now. Division, I think you will take quotient as maybe 16 digits. After 16 digits, you will get repeated. They are asking what can maximum number of digits in the repeating block. So after 15, after 16, I think maybe the digits will repeat. This is the long division, so please do it. Just do homework for this 5th question. Question number 5, homework. Okay. Once go to last question number 9.
Sir,
Classify the
which exercise, sir? 1.3.
1.3 question number 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4 over. 5th
Yeah,
homework,
okay.
do it. So 6th and 7th I'll extend you because we have less time. 9th question, once check it. Just I'm asking you, what is Mohit? What is the first question? 9th one. Say answer also. Read question and answer.
Sir, ninth one, it is the square root of 23. it is irrational number, sir.
Yeah. Look here. Now is it clear, textbook?
Yes, sir.
So I'm talking about 9th question. So this is square root of 23. Is it rational or irrational?
Irrational number, sir.
Irrational, sir.
Very good. Now, Ishita Reddy.
Yes, sir.
So what is the second one? Please read 1 second and say rational or irrational. Look here.
So can I say so?
1 second, Mohit. Wait. Thank you.
What can I say?
Wait. Ishita,
Sir, it's rational.
rational? Is it how?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
So can I tell?
One,
Can I tell?
1 second.
Sir,
Yes, Ishita.
sir, it is 15.
15?
225 is 15 square root.
Who is telling this? Who is this voice?
Niharika.
Very good, Niharika. So here, square root cancel. So answer is 15. So it's a rational number. Just write. Question number 9. Second one, rational. Now, Chris Matthew. What is the third one answer? Chris? Is not there? Okay.
Sir, can I tell?
So can I tell?
Yes. Shivang, okay. Tarun also okay, no problem. Rational,
Yeah.
irrational.
Sir, third one is terminating decimal. That's why it's rational number.
Very good. It's a rational number. This is also rational. This is
So can I tell the
irrational.
fourth one?
Irrational first one.
Yeah. Yes, Shivang.
So the fourth one is rational, so it's terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating.
Non-terminating and
Repeating. Hence it is rational.
478. 478. That means 7.4.
7, 8 bar.
Very good, Shivang. 478 bar. So today we starting when we learn if bar is there, how we can convert as a rational number. Yes. So this is a rational number. Last one.
Fourth one, can I tell?
No, 1 second. Girls, girls, please respond. Girls,
Me,
somebody
sir.
respond.
Me, sir.
Yes. Okay. Anyone? Is it rational or irrational?
Rational.
Who said rational? Who is this voice?
Irrational.
Look here. This is, if you observe, I'm writing. Here 10 is there, like after 1 0. Here 1 0 0. Here 1 0 0 0. Here only 1 time 0 repeated. Stop writing, somebody. Serious. 1 0. Here 2 zeros. Here 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Here 4 zeros. It means here, if you observe that 4, 7, 8. For every 3 terms, there is a repetition, but here there is no repetition. That's why this is
Irrational.
very good.
Irrational.
It is non-terminating.
Yes.